Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about tinyURL, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a QR code in tinyURL? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a QR code in tinyURL anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or maybe you're a live streamer, you know it's important to have your payments or donations available on a QR code to post on your videos. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your tinyURL account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my tinyURL account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a QR code for your website or to direct to your Venmo or your Cash App or something like that, what you're going to do is first you need to grab the URL. So for this video, I'll just grab the URL to my YouTube channel. Okay, once you grab that, you want to go ahead and paste in the link right here. Okay, so here is the URL. So again, you can put your Venmo URL, your Cash App URL. If you run a restaurant, you can put your restaurant menu URL right here. And then next, what you want to do is go ahead and create a customized link. So you can easily just click on shorten URL. If you want a specific specialized link, you can add it in here. So let's say Cash App Anthony. Okay, and then you just want to click on shorten URL. This part is completely optional, the customized part. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show you your tinyURL link shortener right here. And all you're going to do is click on QR code. Okay, now that you have created a QR code, you can go ahead and download it as a PNG 1200 or SVG. So I'll just do a PNG. Okay, now you can see it downloaded to my computer. Let me open it up. Okay, so here is my QR code. So whoever scans this QR code is going to be brought to my YouTube channel or wherever you put your link to. Now let me close this down. Okay, so if you go off of this page, you can always come back here. Once you log into your tinyURL, what you're going to do is click on my URLs here on the top right. Okay, so here is my tinyURL right here, and you can just click right here, QR code. Okay, so once again, here is my QR code. So you can actually create QR codes for any link that you've set up with tinyURL right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a QR code in tinyURL, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.